I'm going to be showing you how to know the bestseller on Etsy. So to know if something is a bestseller on Etsy, you're basically looking for clear signals of high demand and trust. And here's how to spot it accurately. So what we need to do is look for the bestseller badge. So Etsy sometimes labels items with bestseller. This means that the product sells very frequently, it performs well in the category. And you can also try to check reviews. It's very important that you do. So just open a listing. So let's say you want to review this one. Just go ahead on tap here and check to see if it has a good rating of 4.5 or more. So as you can see, it is 4.8. So this means it's a good seller. And see if it has reviews as well. As you can see, this has been reviewed a lot. So this means that it's usually a good product. You also need to check shop sales and look for favorites and engagement. Many people favorited the item. Frequent new reviews shows ongoing demand. You can also check the quality of the listing. Bestsellers usually have professional images, clear product reviews, and multiple photos. You can also search ranking, items appearing on the first page of research, especially for competitive keywords. So Etsy pushes high-performing listings up. You also need to compare similar listings, search same product and check which ones appear repeatedly and which ones have more reviews. So those are usually best sellers. So that's how you know the bestseller on Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.